tips as to how to write a summary based on a story. But today I shall discuss the procedures, the rules and regulations, ways and means, the strategies, the tricks, the tips as to how to write a film based on a story. First of all, we shall take a look at a question. How does a question look like? On the screen, you can see that there is a board question. Take a look at the board question and see how the question looks like, and read the question once. We shall try to discuss this question today, and we shall try to solve this question today. We shall try to write a summary based on this question. Please read the question once. Jayed Hassan, walaikum assalam. Jayed Hassan, good morning. How are you? Fine, I'm fine. Alama Mashur, walaikum assalam. Mithila, walaikum assalam. Aisha Noor, walaikum assalam. Try to take a look at the question. Try to take a look at the question. Today, we shall discuss this question. Read the question once, please. If you read the question, it will help you to understand today's lecture. I think you have read the question once. Thank you. My dear students, now we shall turn to the procedures, rules and regulations, ways and means, strategies, tricks, tips as to how to write a film based on a story. First of all, if you take a look, you will see on the screen that the first one is read the story. First of all, you will have to read the whole story. Secondly, you will have to understand the meaning of the story. In this respect, let me tell you, the enriched knowledge of vocabulary and various structures will help you to understand the meaning of the story. In fact, these enriched knowledge of vocabulary and structures will help you to tackle all the question items in terms of English first and second paper. Next, you will have to locate the words, phrases, clauses, sentences intended for bullet points, intended for main ideas, intended for important ideas. Afterwards, you will write down the bullet points. We are going closer to write a film. We are following the steps one by one, and afterwards automatically it would be possible for us to write a film. Automatically we shall reach our destination if we follow the steps properly, maintaining proper sequence. If you face any problem in terms of seeing the screen, you will let us know. Sajid, walaikum assalam. Afterwards, you will try to find hidden, indirect, virtual, philosophical meaning of the bullet points. This one is the most important one. You need to identify, you need to recognize the hidden meaning. I told you earlier that all the texts, poems, extracts intended for theme writing has dual meanings, has two meanings. One meaning is direct meaning and the other is indirect meaning. Direct meanings will help you to discover the hidden meaning. The direct meaning will help you to discover the hidden meaning. For an example, try to take a look at the example. In this context, back part of cow. What does this phrase mean? This phrase means advantageous, because we milk a cow in the back part. Milk is beneficial, advantageous, but these details are not written in the text. You will have to discover, try to find these details from the direct meanings, from the direct words, phrases, clauses, sentences of the story. I think you have understood. Let me tell you once again. The back part of cow. What does the phrase mean? In this context, this phrase means advantageous, beneficial, because we milk a cow in the back part, but these details are not written in the text. You will have to discover these details depending on the language of the text. In addition, let me tell you, context helps a lot in terms of discovering hidden meaning. Context influences meaning. Context influences hidden meaning. Therefore, you will have to take context into consideration. Another example. Try to take a look at another example, front part of cow. Now, what does this phrase means? This phrase means disadvantageous. Depending on this today's context, this phrase means disadvantageous. Now, we have seen that the concrete phrases, words, clauses, sentences are helping us to discover the hidden meaning. Likewise, in terms of writing a theme, you will try to discover the hidden meaning, philosophical meaning, virtual meaning, depending on the concrete language, direct language, depending on the text, depending on the story. Shikdar Shihab, good morning. Ehsan Rahman, walaikum assalam. I think all of you are understanding the pros and cons I am discussing. If you face any problem in terms of understanding the steps, procedures, rules and regulations, tricks, tips to understand what I am discussing, please do comment in the comment box. I shall take some other procedures to make you understand the pros and cons. Please. Now write down the theme. Now we shall come across our demonstration. Now we shall come across our demonstration. We shall discuss a board question. And you see that I have colored some words, phrases, clauses, sentences. But there is an intention of coloring these particular words, phrases, clauses and sentences. These particular words, phrases, clauses, sentences will help us to understand, to identify, to recognize the bullet points. Now, let me tell you what could be the first bullet point based on today's question, based on today's story. Now you just try to find out what the first bullet point will be. Redwan Ahmed Uday, thank you. Batch 16, thank you for watching our lecture. Thank you for watching our lecture. Okay, I told you, my dear students, I told you to find the first bullet point and you comment the first bullet point in a comment box. I shall mention your name. Jayad Hassan, thank you. You are understanding the lecture. I told you to find the first bullet point and write down the first bullet point in a comment box. Write down the first bullet point in a comment box. I shall mention your name. Jayad Hassan, thank you. Thank you very much. You have identified, recognized the first bullet point. Thank you. Now we shall come across the bullet points one by one, and afterwards we shall develop these bullet points into a complete theme writing. Follow the steps. First one, as answered by Jayad Hassan. First one is two brothers. Our first bullet point is two brothers. Next one, Karim, who is a clever boy. Next, Bashir, who is simple and honest. Next one is death of their father. Next, two properties. These two brothers inherited two properties. One is a cow and the other is a palm tree. Afterwards, they decided to divide the properties into two. Back part of cow was taken by Karim because Karim was clever. Karim wanted to enjoy the benefits of the property. Front part was taken by his brother Bashir, who was simple and honest. He could not understand the riddle. Therefore, he took the front part, which was disadvantageous, which was not beneficial. Try to take a look at the bullet points. They will help you to develop the theme. Next one is top of palm tree belonging to Karim. Once again, Karim has taken the advantageous part because fruits are produced at the top of a tree, palm tree, in today's context particularly. Bottom was taken by Bashir. Once again, Bashir was deprived of benefits because Bashir would nurture the bottom of the palm tree, but the fruits will be enjoyed by Karim. Try to understand the traits, riddles, sequences of the story. Karim, beneficiary of the properties. I told you earlier. Karim took the parts which were beneficial, advantageous. In contrast, Bashir took the parts, properties, portions, segments which were not advantageous, which were disadvantageous. These concepts will help you to develop the theme afterwards. Try to follow the sequences. Try to take a look at the bullet points. While writing a theme, likewise, you will develop the bullet points. I am telling you frequently, and afterwards, you will turn these bullet points into your answer, into a theme. Afterwards, a clever man appeared in the story. He unlocked the riddle. He advised Bashir to cut down the tree. He advised Karim to stop feeding the cow. Likewise, these third men solved the problem. Now, these two brothers take equal parts of benefits. My dear students, yes, Reha Raja, thank you. You have responded. Raja, thank you. Thank you. I believe you have understood all the bullet points, all the pros and cons, all the details discussed by me. I believe if you follow these strategies discussed by me, you will be able to come up with a decent, sound theme. I told you earlier, most of our students are unable to come up with perfect, proper theme, unfortunately. Therefore, it will be a must for you to follow these steps, these strategies, these tricks, these tips, these rules and regulations, these ways and means, and automatically you will be able to write a theme properly, and I believe your answer will secure more than 80% number in terms of theme writing particularly. Try to take a look at the bullet point number 14, which is very, very important. A complete answer. Try to take a look at the complete answer. How I framed the complete answer, how I have written the complete answer. In this respect, let me remind you of one important point, which is moral. In terms of theme writing, you will have to find the moral, the lesson. The message of the story. What message the story conveys to us? What message what lesson, what moral this particular story conveys to us, which is the most important component in terms of theme writing. Which is the most important component in terms of theme writing. Once you have discovered the moral of the story, you have discovered theme. Once you have recognized lesson of the story, you have recognized theme. Once you have identified message of the story, you have identified theme. Therefore, you will have to remember that you need to discover the moral of the story in terms of theme writing particularly, because this moral, this lesson, this message will be used in terms of theme writing. Without this moral, without this lesson, without this message, without this hidden meaning, without this virtual meaning, without this indirect meaning, theme writing will be incomplete. Your answer won't secure a decent score. Therefore, it will be wise for you to discover the moral of the story properly, so that you might not make any mistake in terms of discovering the moral, the lesson, the message of the story. Try to take a look at the complete answer. Try to take a look at the complete answer. Complete answer. This answer has been framed, developed following the steps discussed by me. And see that the language used in the text is not used in this answer. I have used some other languages, phrases, words, sentences, and it is the most important component in terms of theme writing. It is the most important component, ingredient, part in terms of theme writing. Try to take a look at the first sentence, you will see the magic. The story reveals that justice triumphs and injustice is transitory. You need to discover the moral likewise in every story you come across. In terms of theme writing, you will have to discover this moral, this hidden meaning, this virtual meaning properly, correctly. Otherwise, your theme will never secure a decent score in terms of theme writing particularly. In terms of theme writing, to find out, to discover this moral, this lesson, this message is very, very important. The prime task is to discover the moral, the lesson, the message of the story. And you will put this moral, this lesson, this message in the first sentence. I told you earlier, first sentence summarizes the summary. First sentence is called the topic sentence. Topic sentence will contain the summary of your answer. The topic sentence will tell the readers about the whole aspects of what is hidden in the answer. Therefore, topic sentence is a must, and topic sentence is very, very important. Thank you, ma'am. Imelda Hussain, ma'am. You have commented. Thank you for your comment. Imelda, ma'am, thank you for your comment. Thank you. Chatni miss, thank you, miss. You have commented in the comment box. Thank you. Okay, I shall finish my today's lecture. Let me tell you briefly, while writing a theme, you will have to discover the moral of the story, and you will have to mention this lesson, this moral, this message in your writing, in your answer. It's a must. It's a must. You must write about the moral of the story. Only then your answer will secure a sound score in terms of examinations. I think you have followed all the steps discussed by me. You have understood all the steps discussed by me. You have understood all the pros and cons. You have understood all the rules and regulations, all the strategies, all the steps, all the staircases, all the steps I have discussed. These steps will help you to develop a theme automatically, and in this respect your answer will secure more than 80% number. I believe you will follow my advice and you will be successful eventually. Thanks for joining us. Allah Hafiz.